guys, we are out in Hurricane right before we leave town, just doing a final walkthrough for one of our clients. I'm getting my butt kicked by allergies, so don't pay much attention to my voice, but let's check it out. This beautiful home is just finally ready for a final walkthrough. Has a 3-car garage with lots of side parking. Let's head inside. Michon is currently doing the blue tape inspection so that by the time it's fully passed off by the builder, our clients don't have to stress about a thing. This property has a massive front door, and as we enter, it opens up to a beautiful, huge living room. Hope this camera can give you a wide enough angle of what we're looking at. And as you can see, this is what blue tape looks like. Every little paint imperfection, any kind of issues with anything at all, they'll get noted, and the builder typically takes care of them prior to settlement so that our clients don't have to stress about a thing. With most builders, you'll get a 1-year limited warranty that would cover paint, stucco, touch-up type stuff. So it's not super huge deal, but it's just nice not to have to worry about those things in a brand new house. This property has beautiful cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling, and the glass for the top portion is on a back order, so it hasn't been installed quite yet. There's a large center island. That backsplash flows together really nicely. Soft close cabinets, an induction top, and my personal favorite touch is a hidden butler pantry. Let's take a step back to kind of give you guys an idea of what that looks like. Let's check out the butler pantry. Boom, and now you see it. And it's not super huge, but it's nice. Michon, say hello.
Hi, just going OCD over here.
She's going ham on that blue tape. How much do you have left on that roll?
Oh, I got a couple spares.
Give you guys another view of this room from this angle. And let's check out the master suite. So as you enter the house, through the laundry room is the hookups for the washer and the dryer. There's a sink. And this will take us to the 3-car garage. Those garage doors are awesome. They let in a little bit of light. They look very modern, nice, great accent. There's a 50 amp hookup right here, so you could plug in a fifth wheel, a welder, anything that draws 50 amp. This property comes equipped with a tankless water heater, which is a huge plus. So you have hot water on demand. It's a set of cabinets right in the laundry room. It's a nice touch as well. And then if you want to bypass the rest of the house, the master suite is right here. This property actually has several master suites. Beautiful large windows that open up to the backyard. I'll give you guys a dimension of this room. This room is quite large. So looking back from this angle, and let's take a look at the master bath. There's a dual sink, nice built-in cabinets. As we turn to the left, it's the tub, more counter space, a beautiful glass stand, walk-in shower with 2 shower heads, a closet, quite large closet, and of course, the water closet. All the light fixtures just flow perfectly. I love how high the ceilings are throughout this entire property. And right off the front door, we have this kind of a nice arched entry and a coat closet right there. This room could be perfect for an office. It has French doors on this side, as well as just a regular door that takes you out into this hallway. And of course, it does have a closet, so if you wanted to use this room as a bedroom, you totally could. So as we exit the office into this hallway, there's another front bedroom right here. Pretty similar in dimensions. Take a look at these views. This neighborhood is awesome. This bedroom also has a closet. This hallway has a linen closet right here. And there is a guest bathroom with 2 sinks, a fully tiled shower, and a toilet. And then for our second master suite, it's a little bit smaller than the other master suite. It's still a really good size. So this master suite has just a single sink in this bathroom and floor to ceiling tile in the shower, which is a nice touch, and a closet. While we're here, let's take a step off the back patio and see, take a look at these views. It's really nice, very private backyard. It's got a nice large patio. And right off this patio, hopefully you guys can see the views of the beautiful Pine Valley Mountain right there in the distance. The edge of this neighborhood comes up to the desert, and very nice, very private. There's a great deal of grass. It looks like this grass could use a little love. It just got installed, and I wonder if it's not getting enough water. The rest of the landscaping is pretty much xeriscape with lots of gravel. This side of the property has an access gate. I'll stand in the corner to give you guys an idea of the space in this backyard. Lots of room. And of course, the other side of the house has additional RV parking, boat parking, whatever you feel like parking here. Neighbors have a really nice fifth wheel, and you've got all kinds of room for parking right here. There's a clean out and an electrical hookup for an RV to pull in on this side. There's no shortage of views. All the neighboring properties are also beautiful. That's the door that takes you into the first master suite that I showed you guys. That's the door that takes you into the living room. And that's the door that takes you into the second master suite. And I think that covers it for this walkthrough. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to get them answered. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will see you